Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In this video, I want to discuss about what is a neutral function and how many neutral functions are there, and I will discuss with one example also. First, let me define what is a neutral function. It is a function for which the number of min terms is equal to number of max terms. Okay, so what is the meaning of number of min terms? Number of min terms means when the function gives the output as 1, then we will say that it is corresponds to the min term. And what is a max term? When the function produces the output 0, then we will say that it is correspond to max term. So the meaning is that the function produces the output such a way that the number of ones is equal to number of zeros. Am I right? Then such function we will call it as a neutral function. Let me give an example for it. Let's take that I have A, B, A exclusive or B is there. This is my function. Now if you take this one, A and B values, I can take 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Can you tell me what is the exclusive OR? Exclusive OR is nothing but A, B bar or A bar B. Means A, B's complement or A's complement B. Now what is meant by this? A value you can keep it. When A value is 0, B value is 0, B's complement will be 1. Or A complement. What is the A value? 0. So A's complement will be 1. What is the B value? 0. So 0 and 1 is equal to 0, or 1 and 0 is also 0. So 0 or 0 is 0. So you will get 0 for this one. Are you able to understand? And what is the value when I get A value is 0 and B value is 1? If A value is 0, this will be 0, and B value is 1, so B's complement will be 0. That's good. And A's complement is what? 1. What is the B value? Also 1. So 0 or 1 is equal to 1. So this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 0. If you want to verify, you can verify it. Is it clear? So this is the exclusive OR gate truth table. So now if you see that the number of ones are 2 and the number of zeros also 2. So I can say that it is a neutral function because the number of min terms, because these are the min terms and these are the max terms. So we have the number of min terms is equal to number of max terms. So I can say that this is a neutral function. Now if you want to find the how many number of neutral functions are possible, am I right or wrong? Suppose let's take that you have taken two binary variables A and B. Now for these two binary variables, how many neutral functions are possible? Is it clear? So the number of neutral functions, before telling how many the actual formula, let me tell you what are they. Then only we can easily discuss how many with a generalized formula I can say. Suppose let's take that I have taken two binary variables. If I take two binary variables, how many combinations I will get? 4 combinations I will get. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Am I right or wrong? So let me see how many functions are possible. Let's take that function f1. Function f1, I can get the output as 0 or 1s, but the thing is that what is meant by neutral function? The number of zeros should be equal to number of ones. Suppose let's take that f1 I have taken 0, 0, 1, 1. Now the number of zeros is equal to number of ones. So this is a one neutral function. What it is, I am not worrying. Is it clear? First I want to tell how many are possible. Let's take that another function f2. Okay. Let's take that another function f2 which is 1, 1, 0, 0. Is it a neutral function or not? Yes. Now let's take that another neutral function 0, 1, 0, 1. Then another neutral function called f4 1, 0, 1, 0. Here also it is a neutral function because the number of ones is equal to number of zeros. Let's take that f5. f5 what I will do is that, okay, 0, 0, 1, 1. Am I right? Whether we have considered such one? No. So this is also one neutral function. f6 1, 0, 0, 1. This is also in one neutral function. Any other is possible. All combinations we have taken when the number of zeros are equal to number of ones. So we got the 6 neutral function. 6 neutral function I can write it as 4c2. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? What is 4c2? 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Am I right or wrong? Is it clear? What is meant by NCR? NCR is equal to n factorial by n minus r whole factorial into r factorial. Am I right or wrong? So similarly, 4 factorial by 4 minus 2, 2 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 factorial value is 24, okay, and 2 factorial is 2 and again 2, so this will be equal to 6. So this is the what I said simply as 4c2. Okay. Now if you ask me generalized one, let me tell you how many neutral functions are possible if you take n binary variables. Let's take that you are taking n binary variables are there. Okay. Now if someone asks you how many neutral functions are possible, if you have n binary variables, you will get 2 power n combinations you will get. Am I right or wrong? Because each variable will take the 0 or 1. So each variable will have the combination 2. Means either 0 or 1. So it has the 2 combinations. So similarly, if n binary variables are there, 2 power n. Okay. Now if 2 power n combinations are there, now out of that one, how many combinations should be 0 and how many combinations should be 1? 2 power n by 2 number of 0 should be there and those many 1 should be there. Am I right or wrong? Will you agree with me or not? Because if you see that, if I take the 2 binary variables, I got the 4 combinations. When the number of zeros will be equal to number of ones, out of 4, 4 by 2, 2 zeros and 2 1 should be there. Then only I can say that number of zeros are equal to number of ones. Am I right? Suppose if I have n combinations, okay, when I will say that number of zeros is equal to number of ones, n by 2 zeros will be there and n by 2 ones are there, then totally it will be equal to n, and also the number of zeros and number of ones are equal. Am I right? So if I have 2 power n combinations, out of that one you will have 2 power n by 2 will be the possible. Are you able to understand? Which is nothing but 2 power n c 2 power n minus 1. Is it clear? So this is the generalized formula. 2 power n, where n is the number of binary variables, c 2 power n minus 1. If you take this one, the same one, in this case the number of binary variables are 2. So 2 power 2 c 2 power 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 power 2 is what? 4 c 2 power 2 minus 1, nothing but 2 power 1, which is 4c2. I hope you have understood what is a neutral function and how many neutral functions are possible and what are they also I have discussed. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.